Hey guys, Christy here, and today we're going to look at one of the apps inside Canva, and it is an AI app that uses the Dall-E technology in order to create AI generated images. It's really cool. So we're going to go inside your apps, and then you'll click here onto Dall-E and then just click open. Now each month you get a certain number of credits with this. So, just make sure that you're staying within your limit if you want to do different images. Now, I could type in here whatever it is I'm looking to make. So, or if you're just trying to like play with it, at first it has this option here to surprise me. And it'll give you, this says a macro 35mm photograph of two mice in Hawaii. They're each wearing tiny swimsuits and are carrying tiny surfboards. Okay, I am curious now, so I'm going to go ahead and do that one. So we're going to go ahead and click generate. And let's see what it comes up with. Oh, wow. That's interesting. That is very much like the description, I'd have to say. Definitely not something I would ever need a picture for, but that was the prompt. So that's interesting. But that's why it's something you get to play with. Now I'm gonna put my own prompt in here. All right, I want to see a cute, short-haired chihuahua sitting outside in a beautiful garden waiting for his owner to come home. Okay, it's who knows what this will give us. So let's see. That's part of the fun is you have no idea what it's going to spit out at you. Aw, look at that. Now that's more like it. That is a much more realistic picture than the mice were, right? So, oh, look at that. Now you could use both of them if you wanted to and just kind of open that up and see what you think of it. And then what you could do, I'm going to add a page. You could generate it again. Let's say I want to change this to, let's see, a bulldog. A cute bulldog. Is there such a thing? I don't know. A cute bulldog. All right, and we're going to regenerate that. So you could change one or two little words, and then you'll get completely different results from it. All right, so it did what we asked, right? Here we've got some pictures of a bulldog waiting for its owner to come home. So go ahead and open that up so you can see it here. That one is actually really good. That is amazing. So, I could just open it up if I decide I want a closer shot or just want a certain part of it. I love that. That is so cool. So you can see just how, you can really have fun with it. You can add more descriptive words, like if you want it to look like an oil painting or, in the style of a certain artist, like a Picasso or, I don't know, I can't think of any right now, but a famous artist, Andy Warhol, whatever it might be, and it'll give you those results as well. So it's really a lot of fun, and you can almost have too much fun, but you've only got 25 credits per month to use this one. So that's it. I wanted to give you that little peek into how to use that app there, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Maybe.